In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a new Bluetooth mobile controller. This is the GameSir G8 Plus. Now, last year, GameSir came out with a USB Type-C connection, the G8, but I never got my hands on that one. I actually do have the GameSir X2 controller, and it was great. That one was designed with USB Type-C, so it was direct connection. Now, those are good if you don't want to use Bluetooth. But a Bluetooth controller means you can use the controller on a lot more different devices. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this, then I'm going to test it out on my Samsung Galaxy S21 phone, which I use for mostly gaming and emulation. And then I'm going to see if I can fit this on my Android tablet, the Samsung S7. Okay, so let's get this open and see what we got inside. And in this box, we have the charging cable, the USB Type-C charging cable, because this is battery operated, so it will be needed to charge from time to time. You also get some stickers and manual. All right, now let's take a look at the controller itself. And right away, I can tell, let me just get this off here, get this other one off. And I can tell this just feels really good. It feels very premium. The buttons feel great. There's the stretch. Don't think this will be able to fit a tablet unless I try to, stretch it out like their other model, the X2. So we'll see how that goes. And on the back here, you see there's two mappable buttons, which is really cool to have. And on the bottom here, we have a button for pairing and our USB Type-C port. And as you can see here, it's got three extra thumbsticks in different sizes. You can easily swap them out, which is nice. And now I'm going to show you something else that's really cool. The faceplate here, it'll easily just pop off just like that. And now you have the option of the buttons, the A, X, B, Y, they're magnetic. So you can actually swap them out if you want very easily. And you can see the magnets for the faceplate there. So it's very easy just to put it back on. So here's a little size comparison with the GameSir X2S model. What's really great about the G8 Plus is it's compatible with just about every device you might have. It'll work on Android, it'll work on iOS, it'll work on the Nintendo Switch, and it'll work on PC. It doesn't come with a headphone jack, but to me, that's not a big deal. Now, to get this powered on, you're going to hit this button right here, and you see it's blinking blue. And then you're going to have your phone or tablet scan for Bluetooth, and you can hit the pairing button right here. And there you go. As you can see, it is now working and connected. Now, there are different modes for different devices, and to connect, you just need to hit the capture button and the corresponding X, B, Y, or A button, whether you're using iOS or a Switch or an Android device. It's pretty easy. Okay, now let's try some actual gameplay. So here I am playing Fortnite on a Samsung Galaxy S21. And here we have Real Racing 3. Okay, now let's jump into some emulation. Here is Aladdin for the Sega Genesis. And here we have Soul Calibur Broken Destiny for the PPSSPP emulator. So far, no issues at all. The controller feels great in my hands. Now, here's Forza Horizon 5 via Xbox Cloud Gaming. This is from the actual cloud, not remote play, and it's not a great experience. There is significant delay when trying to steer the car, but this is really due to the performance of the Xbox Cloud Gaming and not the controller. Okay, now I'm going to try to attempt to fit this on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. As you can see, when I stretched it out, it falls just a little short of being able to fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to stretch this out basically in the same way I did for the GameSir X2, so I could fit this on the tablet. If this works, I would be really, really happy. Now, keep in mind, if you damage your controller while doing this, it would definitely void out any warranty, but let's see if this works. And yeah, right away, you can see it's very easy to pop that off. And if you're careful enough, you can get this on the tablet. So let's see how this goes. All right, so that was actually way too easy. I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm going to try a couple games on the tablet now with the controller to see how it goes. So I played for a while on the tablet and had no issues whatsoever. Controller feels still very comfortable to use. Very, very cool that it's pretty easy to get this working on a tablet. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in picking up the G8 Plus for yourself. I think it's definitely worth it. So that's it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.